This channel is fully automated and faceless, built entirely using free AI tools, just like several other channels I run that have provided me with financial freedom. Imagine a business that runs 24/7 without you ever having to step in front of a camera, buy an expensive microphone, or master complex editing software. This isn't a dream, it is the reality of modern content creation. Right now, there are thousands of creators earning significant monthly revenue by simply showing other people how to use technology. You see the screenshots of massive views and high earners, but today I am going to show you the actual possibility behind those numbers. Most people never start because they feel overwhelmed by technical barriers or the fear of being on screen. We are removing all of those excuses today. No camera, no mic, no professional skills, and most importantly, no budget required. You're going to learn how to build a successful faceless YouTube channel that teaches AI tools, earns subscribers, and generates passive income. Most people fail because they skip one critical step regarding niche selection and keyword research, and I'm going to reveal exactly what that step is right now. This YouTube automation tutorial for beginners is designed to be a complete 0 to 1 masterclass. My mission is to teach absolute beginners how to start a faceless YouTube automation channel for free. Whether you are a student, a busy professional, a shy creator who values privacy, or a freelancer looking for a side hustle, this roadmap is for you. We are not looking for overnight success or get-rich-quick schemes. We are building a digital asset. We will cover everything from finding your niche and gathering your tools to channel setup, content creation, and eventual monetization. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what your very first video should be and how to produce it in under an hour. So how does YouTube automation actually work in 2026? Forget the hype you see on social media. At its core, YouTube automation is simply a system. It is a repeatable workflow where you use AI and software to handle the heavy lifting. Faceless channels work incredibly well today because viewers are increasingly looking for information, not just personalities. If you are teaching someone how to use an AI image generator or a productivity app, they don't need to see your face. They need to see your screen. Think of AI tool tutorials, productivity explainers, or educational breakdowns. These are high-value niches because they solve specific problems. The key mindset shift you need is this. You are not just a YouTuber. You are building a system that delivers value consistently. To succeed, you must understand the basic foundations of the algorithm. Let's break down the 5 metrics that make YouTube predictable. First is your niche. This is simply who your channel is for. Second is CTR, or click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who click your video after seeing the thumbnail and title. Third is watch time, which is the total number of minutes people spend on your video. Fourth is retention, the graph that shows exactly when people stop watching. Finally, there is CPM and RPM, which represent the money you actually earn per 1,000 views. The YouTube algorithm is a recommendation engine. It doesn't care about your subscriber count as much as it cares about satisfaction. If people click and they stay, YouTube will show your video to more people. This is why small channels can go viral overnight if they hit the right topic. If you understand these 5 metrics, your growth becomes a matter of strategy, not luck. Now let's talk about your beginner tool stack. You don't need a high-end studio. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. For scripting and generating ideas, we will use ChatGPT to record your screen. OBS Studio is the industry standard, and it is completely free. For editing, CapCut is incredibly user-friendly and powerful. When it comes to design, Canva is your best friend for creating professional thumbnails, banners, and logos. For your audio, you can use your own voice or a high-quality AI voice from 11 Labs. You can find free, high-quality background music in the YouTube audio library. This is everything I use to run my channels, and there are no paid tools required to get started. I have put together a free checklist of these tools, which you can find linked in the resources section. Planning and research are where most people fail because they guess what people want to see instead of looking at the data. Choosing a profitable niche is the most important decision you will make. AI tutorials and educational content are perfect for faceless channels because they are evergreen, meaning they stay relevant for years. You want to focus on monetization-friendly niches where advertisers are willing to pay more. To find these, use the YouTube search bar. Type in a broad topic like how to use AI for and see what the auto-suggest results are. These are the things people are actually searching for. I also recommend using the free version of vidIQ to check search volume and competition scores. Your goal is the content opportunity formula. Find topics with low competition but clear search intent. For example, instead of a general video on AI, make a specific tutorial on how to use AI to write a resume. This specific approach can save you 6 months of wasted effort. Once you have your niche, it's time for the step-by-step channel setup. Create a new Google account specifically for your brand. When you create your channel, choose a category that fits your content, usually education or how-to. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm a list of catchy, searchable channel names. You can even ask it for logo concepts and banner text ideas. Once you have a name, head over to Canva to design your logo and banner. Consistency is key here. Use the same colors and fonts across your branding to look professional. Inside the YouTube Studio settings, write an SEO-friendly channel description that includes your main keywords. Set up your upload defaults and add links to your social media or website. This professional foundation tells YouTube and your viewers that you are a serious creator. Now we move into the actual content creation process. Start by using ChatGPT to write a draft of your script. Don't just copy and paste it, edit it to include a strong hook in the first 5 seconds and clear transitions between points. We want to create retention loops by telling the viewer what is coming up next. For the visuals, use OBS to record your screen while you demonstrate the AI tool or software. If you aren't comfortable using your own voice, 11 Labs offers incredibly realistic AI voices that sound human and professional. You can even use AI-generated avatars to increase trust and build a connection with your audience without ever showing your own face. This creates a sense of familiarity and helps with brand recognition. Editing doesn't have to be scary. In CapCut, your main goal is to remove any dead air or long pauses. Add simple transitions between different screen recordings to keep the pace fast. You can use the auto captions feature to add text to the screen, which is great for keeping viewers engaged. Add some low-volume background music from the YouTube library to fill the silence. If you're using an AI avatar, overlay it in the corner of the screen. Remember, in the world of tutorials, clean and clear is much better than flashy and distracting. When your video is ready, the uploading and optimization process is what turns it into a traffic engine. Always use high-quality export settings. Your title needs to be high CTR, meaning it should create curiosity or promise a solution. Your description should be keyword-rich and include timestamps, which help with both user experience and Google search rankings. For the thumbnail, keep it simple. Use high-contrast colors and a maximum of 4 or 5 words. One big idea per thumbnail is the golden rule. Finally, organize your videos into playlists. This encourages binge watching, which signals to the algorithm that your channel is highly valuable, leading to more recommendations. Let's talk about realistic monetization. Most people think about AdSense first, and while that is great, it shouldn't be your only goal. Once you hit the requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads. However, affiliate marketing is where the real money is for beginners. By recommending the AI tools you are teaching, you can earn commissions on every person who signs up through your link. As you grow, you can add channel memberships, brand deals, and even your own digital products. The key message is to focus on views and providing value first. The money always follows the attention. To recap, you now have the full roadmap for a YouTube automation tutorial for beginners. You know how to pick a niche, use free AI tools, create engaging content, and optimize it for the algorithm. The most important thing you can do now is take action. Your first Faceless video can go live today if you just follow these steps. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into scaling your digital business. Comment below and let me know, what niche are you choosing for your Faceless channel? In our next session, we'll talk about scaling your automation to multiple videos a week. Now get out there and start creating. Now look, everything I just showed you works. You can absolutely start a Faceless channel today using these free tools. But here's what I've learned after running 12 different Faceless channels and coaching over 11,000 creators. Most people don't fail because of the tools. They fail because they don't have a system, they don't have support, and they're trying to figure everything out alone. That's exactly why I created Tube Accelerator. This isn't some cookie cutter course where you watch a few videos and get left on your own. Inside Tube Accelerator, you get direct access to me and my entire team of experts who are actively running successful Faceless channels right now. You get proven script frameworks, niche research systems, And here's the part most people don't believe until they see it. You actually get access to my personal content team who can make videos for you. But I have to be honest with you. Tube Accelerator is not for everyone. If you're looking for a magic button that prints money while you sleep, this isn't it. That doesn't exist. This is for people who are serious about building a real YouTube automation business and are willing to put in the work with the right guidance. So if you want to skip months of trial and error and have a dedicated team helping you every step of the way, click the link in the description and book a free call with my team. We'll talk about your goals, your situation, and be completely honest about whether this is even the right fit for you. No pressure, no BS. Check out the link below.